In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a singing voice in ElevenLabs Text-To-Speech V3. To get started, open your ElevenLabs dashboard. Once you are inside, look over to the left-hand side and select Text-to-Speech. This is the area where you can turn written text into spoken audio. And in this case, we'll be using it to create a singing style result. After that, move to the Settings panel on the right side. Find the Model drop-down menu and choose 11v3. This part is important because 11v3 is designed for a wider emotional range and also supports musical audio tags. In other words, it's the model that gives you the best chance of producing a more expressive and believable singing performance. Now, go to the main text box and enter your song lyrics just like you would enter a normal text prompt. Try to keep the lyrics clear and easy to read, and make sure you include standard punctuation. Punctuation helps guide the pacing and rhythm of the delivery, so even small things like commas and periods can make the result feel more natural and musical when it's generated. Next, decide exactly where you want the singing to begin. At that precise point in the text, type the tag open bracket singing close bracket. For example, you could write open bracket singing close bracket, followed by your lyrics. This tells ElevenLabs where to switch from regular speech into a sung performance. Placing this tag carefully makes a big difference, especially if you want a spoken intro before the melody starts. Once your lyrics are ready, choose a voice from the library. For the best results, it helps to pick a voice that already has a strong musical, theatrical, or expressive quality. Voices that sound like storytellers, dramatic narrators, or operatic performers often create more convincing singing output because they naturally handle tone and emotion better. Then adjust the stability slider to around the middle, leaning toward natural or creative. This balance usually works well because it helps the AI stay more on tune while still keeping some expressive variation. If the setting is too rigid, the result may feel flat. And if it's too loose, it may become less controlled. When everything looks good, click Generate Speech. ElevenLabs will process the lyrics along with the singing tag and create a melodic sung rendition of your text. That's it. Thanks for watching.